What's going on, everybody? This is Sean from Gen 4 Technology. In today's quick video, I'm going to be walking you through how to set a home position on any of our X series PTZs. So what you're going to do is you're going to get in front of the PTZ, you're going to log into it on a browser. This has to be done through a browser. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the PTZ controller settings over here on the right hand side via the live view. You're going to extend the mode option. Make sure you're set to preset cruise, and you're going to set a preset point, and that's what you're going to use as your home position. So I always use preset 1. You can use any preset point you want, but in this case we're going to use preset 1. So go ahead and move your PTZ to where you want your home position to be. So I'm going to move it, we'll just put it right here as a test. We're going to hit the gear icon to add the preset. It's going to auto save. We're going to change the preset mode from preset cruise to watch mode. Interval, that's how long it's going to wait once the PTZ is moved, or if you set up any sort of tracking or smart features, that's how long it's going to wait until it goes back to this home position. So 20 seconds is what it is by default. That's what I'm going to leave it as. You can go as high as 240 seconds. So we're going to leave it on 20 seconds, but again, you can go as high as 240 seconds if you want it to be delayed even longer. Watch mode, or just mode, is going to be set to watch point set, and then we're going to set our preset 1 as our watch point mode, and we're going to hit play here to start. Now once we hit play, you'll see this will light up. That means that your home position is active, and what will happen is when we move the PTZ or interrupt it, do whatever we're doing, and nothing happens for 20 seconds, we'll let this run down real quick. As you see, it goes back to that home position. That wraps up this video. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for future content, and have a nice rest of your day.